Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. Tatay Digong, we love you.
Ma'am, birthday ni Kong Kulong karon. Pagka-shoutout siya, ni Kong Kulong. Birthday ni Kong Kulong. Yan, nagsabot sila dito.
BP Sara, we love you!
BP Sara, we love you!
So, ready for picture taking. Very sorry na delete po. Hindi po namin magawa na kanya-kanya. No? We will have our group picture taking for security reasons. Okay. Pwede ba?
Selfie na lang, selfie. Selfie na lang siya diya.
Oh, sige.
Selfie na lang siya diya.
Sige.
Kita mo lang yung likod. Selfie na lang siya.
BP Sara is ready for picture taking. Okay.
Selfie na lang siya.
Alright, we would like to announce to the public, we will have a selfie. If you have your banners with you, put it up. Ang mga flag, you put it up, no? We will take a picture here with VP Sara for the crowd shot. Kay itaas! Itaas ang mga flag! Kung wala kayong mga flag, raise your iron fist! Raise your iron fist! Ready! Ready! 1, 2, 3! Duterte lang malakas!
O sa ka-atras sa kalimat po. Doon po.
Babaka po na po.
Doon po. Paano po? Usog po lang ano. Usog pa daw. Yung mic, yung mic.
Mga kababayan, ang gusto pong magpa-selfie kay VP Sara, we will start in this part. We will enter here. We will take a photo with VP and then we will exit in that area. I would like to call the attention of the security to please guide the people, make a line here in this area, please. And then let's control the people. Security people, please.
Grabe ka nagtao guys. Gigamit pa, gigamit pa.
Sound check.
Paging Aldo.
Alright,
Media, please follow Aldo, please.
habang nagpipicture, magkakakata po ako ng salamat. Salamat po, Inday Sara!
Hello! Baho na ba kayo kong adlaw?
Ready na po ba ang mga security natin? Sige po.
Unya na, relax na kayo. Balik na mo talaga. Unya na, sir. Unya na, te.
Salamat po, Inday Sara.
Thank you.
Lakasan natin, kuya. Alright, picture lang kayo dyan. Kuya, give me a microphone effect.
Hello, ma'am.
Kung ito man ang huling awitin, nais kong malaman mo ay bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, kuya, nais kong sambitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Effects.
Thank you. Thank Alvin.
Kasama kita lumuhay. Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Sabay-sabay! Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat! Salamat! Sa iyong marinig, tibok ng damdamin. Dagang salamat! Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin. Ang awitin ko'y iyong bingin.
Hindi maririnig.
Space.
Kasi mahirap narinig yung sige po. Your statement, sige, Bibi. Na, you met it.
Put yourselves outside, okay?
Heroes. Amis ka.
Germany. Germany. So, ang mangyari ay nag-16 minutes.
for security reasons. Okay, all of us here want to take a photo with our vice. To be honest, that would be very, very unrealistic. So, ang gagawin natin to make everything para meron tayong selfie together with VP. VP will just go with
Dagan kay tao guys, so dili na mo makuan guys ang tao actually.
Very good. I want to call the attention of the volunteer security. Ask the people to move a little bit, please. A little bit. Let's listen so we can go home early. Right. Please, security people, please let the people step a little bit backward from the fence. For security people, please ask them to move a little bit backward. Please.
Ano ba yung setup? Dapat para lang natin sa laga. Ito sa harap. Kasi kung mag-selfie, madaming tao dumudumog. Kailangan po yung mga ma-viral gani ka kayo mo. Capture naman asa ko. Yes, daghan kay supporter, approximately more than I think 6,000 to 10,000 people. Okay, security. Salamat boss.
Security people, can you make a line here? Let's assist the people that want to take a selfie with the baby. Let's do it as slow as we can. Let's be safe. No pushing. Everybody will have a time to take a photo with our VP as long as it's safe. And then we do it as courteous as possible. Okay, security people, please assist. Assist.
Ay kasi mo vlog.
Hello Davao! Ireland! Hello to Ireland!
Hello from Belgium! Alvin, hello!
Oh, ito talaga. Meron tayong 4,000 people. Nanonood. Hello po.
Okay. FYI, people, if you want to take a photo with VP, the entrance is on that end.